Vlogmas day 5. Now I'm holding the camera. Hi DG, we're in Christmas lights. You're so festive. It's time to get up.
Is it in focus?
It's in focus. Alright, I'm really hungry. I think I want to make some pancakes. We're gonna make some coffee. Get the day started. I really don't know what we're gonna do today. I have a dentist appointment at 3 o'clock, but I don't know. I don't even really know it's open.
Do you have a plan?
What's our plan? You got a new Alexa.
Hey Alexa, put 103.5 radio.
Yes. Hello.
Oh, I wanted to make pancakes. How perfect.
Here, you guys can have it.
How perfect.
They're pancakes.
Oh, I wanted normal ones.
Well, just eat this. I'm not gonna finish it. Armin, eat one. And the whipped cream.
Yeah, my new slippers came in. 2 weeks of waiting and complaining that it wasn't here. Look at, what is this?
You have to go on like.
What the heck? It's not even a full box. Got some MVs. Ooh, white ass feet. All right.
It's on. It's on.
Hi, Liam.
Hi, Liam.
Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Cool bike. Hi.
Hi.
Yes, this is my bike.
Ooh,
It used to be blue tires, but they popped after so long. Do you know how to get out the kiddo?
No. Show me. I am not a father yet.
Hey,
You're like the second mother.
Yeah, I was like, I'm not a mother.
Plan is for today, wait till RJ gets back from her dentist appointment, then we're gonna head towards downtown Disney. But we got the family here.
I'm gonna show you
Okay, go.
how to be a daddy.
Show me how to be
So
daddy.
there's buckles here, so you just have to unbuckle that. And then just unhook that, and then he just lets him out.
All right, get
Gonna
out.
Play with that. Jump.
Get out. Son of a gun! Son of a gun!
1, 2, 3. We're gonna push it forward more.
You have to put it here.
Okay, just pull it gently. Okay, here. We did it!
Watch your feet.
Okay, slow down.
That was sweat. That was my workout. That was my workout for the day! Hi! Where are we going?
Coronavirus!
Are you recording me?
Day 5 is really boring. We didn't really do much. Obviously, we moved a lot of fridges, spending time with SB, with Alma, with Liam. I tried to go to downtown Disney, but we ended up going to Korean barbecue, which I'm starving from the day.
Honestly, who even knows if we're gonna even eat Korean, because now that it's outdoor seating, I mean, there's really not much to sit outside.
What's up, bro? What's up, SBs? Not every vlog day is gonna be a full vlog day, but not mad. Some days you just gotta have a rest day. And I guess today was that. Here, give me a hug.
Give him a hug. Say hi to Daryl.
You gave me high five, right?
Liam,
Live here.
look, he got a new new car.
Ready to open it? I used to collect Hot Wheels too. I used to like cars.
Now they're like a
Actually, I still like cars. Actually.
Really?
Yeah.
So I was
It's
like,
Saturday night,
it's gonna be hella.
and I feel
We smiling
so
with our masks on. We smiling.
Smell it.
This is different. Being updated with my vlogs, watching my vlogs right now. There you go. Yeah.
You don't even need a cup. That's just yours, right? That's his.
Ooh.
Sorry, pig. I don't call it that. You guys, what is that? It's a
Just put more water.
This is our COVID-19
First Korean barbecue experience.
first Korean barbecue experience.
It's pretty good.
This grill sucks.
We have a shitty grill, and it's not cooking.
It ain't cooking.
That's gonna do it. Vlogmas day 5
We're finished.
is over. Boring day. See you tomorrow.